Hi, I'm Amy, part of David Trubridge design team, and I help develop these lights. Today I'm going to show you how to make your flax light. If you have a painted flax, make sure the painted face is down on the table. Put aside 2 spares from each stack. These are spares for later in case of breakages. Place clips in all central holes, not the 2 end ones. When inserting the clip, make sure you support the back of the wood with 2 fingers. If you don't do this, it might break. Continue putting clips in like this in the whole of the first pile. Bring back the second pile. Clip together all 48 pairs like this. Press down hard on the ring when you tighten up the nuts. Push the fastener hard up against the plywood. Swap the core grip round to the other side of the top. Don't tighten it yet. You must have an electrician to connect up your cable, and be sure to use an eco bulb. Here is your finished flax light, and this is the box it came